My name is Rajvansh Mohta. I'm Executive Director at Mohta Wellness. We are based in Hathras, Uttar Pradesh, and we are manufacturer of Ayurvedic, classical and modern Ayurvedic medicines since 1962. It's our fourth generation. We are in the same vertical we have experience of over 60 years, and we belongs to a Vadda family. And we cater to India's top leading companies. We facilitate entirely all sections that are essential in Ayurveda and wellness products. And we are leading supplier of India's top leading companies, as we showcased here. And we have a very fantastic and advanced range of Ayurveda. I visited last year this edition, so I explored what exactly this event is and how it would be fruitful for me. So I just walked in and explored all the stalls, exhibitors. So after that, I decided to I looked at it's a really greater platform, and it will be fruitful for us. So that's why we decided to participate in this edition, and would like to also participate in the future editions as well. We did some commitments and partnerships. That is, we can say in WIP, we got some leads as well, and very soon we will convert it. So we got some overseas business also collaborations, and domestic itself with bigger groups whom they visited this show. So very soon we will convert it. We are excited to means explore the packaging so that we can provide better packaging to our clients, to the groups that who are purchasing from us medicines. So, and second, other things that is relevant and that improves our efficacy of products, services of our product, like logistics, shippings, and some export consultancy and all. It's a very great initiative by Mr. Vicky ji. So he and their team, they did a very beautiful and fruitful event, and I wish they do in the future editions, and they also do, means they level up services and all the organizing things in the future event as well. So looking forward to do the collaboration in future and to exhibit in the next edition as well. And it's a very they do a very good organizing, and the venue is also very good. We can say one of the top convention center in the Delhi. So the ambience is very good overall.